Hey, what's up? Facebook. It's Thursday. We call it Throwback Thursday. So I want to throw something back at y'all. It's kind of a little tribute to some of my very best friends. These are my boys in bass. Back in South Florida, there was a few of us who actually was trailblazing some paths for a lot of the bassists that are playing now in South Florida. And, we kind of came through that era of thumping and everything, and, we were doing our thing, and it was guys like myself, Roosevelt Parker, awesome bassist, Dwayne Knowles, funky, the dude used to throw down, Josh Brown would get you on all those runs, man, and he'll walk all up and down the fingerboard, man, and you be trying to figure out what he's doing, and he'd just be laughing and just throwing down on you. And then we had another friend of ours that was lived in West Palm, Juan Williams. And these guys were very special. They were good. All of us were like really, unselfish. We didn't actually show each other a lot of stuff, but we would always steal from one another. They all had stuff that I wanted to play, and I would try to steal some of their lines and make it my own. And we all did that from one another, but we had a lot of respect for each other. Well, I want to do this song, and when I heard this song, it was at a midnight musical at Ebenezer. It was either at Ebenezer Baptist Church or it was at Church of God, Hallandale. But there was another bassist, little bitty kid. He was probably about maybe 12, 13 years old at the time, small, and he was playing Roosevelt's bass. The kid by the name of Brian. I think it was, I know it was Ruddy and Nigel Knight's little brother. And this kid was bad, man. He was bad. And they were doing this song that I'm going to cover, song by Milton Brunson and the Thompson Community Singers, titled It's Gonna Rain. So I'm going to do it my way. I've only gone over it a couple times, so I'm not going to play it exactly like them, but I'll just put my own little thing on it. But it's a tribute to you guys. Throwback Thursday. You guys are forever in my heart, in my soul. I love you guys, and I wish you guys, man, will get busy and just put some of this old stuff on Facebook, man, and let's just have fun with it. That's all I'm doing, just having a little fun. All right, guys, here we go.